Hello everyone. Today was a tiring day, but there's leaves on the ground and when I walk on them, it's relaxing. You can try it out too and see how relaxing it is. So anyways, today we'll be continuing the 4 operations of fractions. Today I'll be talking about multiplying, dividing fractions. If you're ready, let's go. Let's talk about multiplying and dividing fractions. To multiply 2 or more fractions, the numerators are multiplied together and the denominators are multiplied together like this. Look at this example. 5 over 8 times 4 over 10. We can write it like this. 5 times 4 over 8 times 10 equals 20 over 80. And if we want to simplify it, we can divide the numerator and denominator by a GCF. The GCF of 20 and 80 is 20, and our fraction is simplified to 1 over 4. Now I want to tell you that we could simplify the fractions into 2 other ways before multiplying. One is simplifying each fraction if possible, and then multiplying together, and then simplify the final answer if possible. Another thing that we can do is cross cancellation. It basically means simplifying the denominator of one fraction and the denominator of another fraction together if they have a GCF. Let's do the previous example in the first way. We can simplify 4 over 10 by dividing the numerator and denominator by 2. Now we have 5 times 2 over 8 times 5, or 10 over 40. Now, if we simplify the answer, we will have 1 over 4. Now, let's try the second way. The GCF of 5 and 10 is 5, and the GCF of 4 and 8 is 4. Therefore, fractions can be simplified like this. As you can see, the result is the same with the previous method. It is good to know that to multiply an integer number by a fraction, we only multiply that integer number by the numerator part of the fraction. Do you know why? Yes, because if we want to convert the integer number into a fraction, we should put a 1 as a denominator of that, like this. 2 times 1 over 3 equals 2 over 1 times 1 over 3 equals 2 times 1 over 1 times 3 equals 2 over 3. Dividing fractions. We know that in addition and subtraction and multiplication and division are opposite operations. Therefore, if we multiply the quotient by the divisor, it will be equal to the dividend. For example, if A divided by B equals C, then C times B equals A. We use the same rule to divide fractions. Look at this example. 8 over 12 divided by 2 over 3. Suppose the answer is A over B. Now, we can write the equation in these forms as well. A over B times 2 over 3 equals 8 over 12. A times 2 equals A over B times 3 equals 12. Therefore, both A and B will be equal to 4, and the value of A over B will be 1. A magic formula. Dividing fractions by the method we talked about is not always easy like that. Look at this example. 2 over 3 divided by 2 over 7. 2 over 3 is the dividend, 2 over 7 is the divisor, and suppose A over B is the quotient. We can write this equation as a multiplication format. A over B times 2 over 7 equals 2 over 3. As you can see, it is very difficult to find the value of B in this way. Now, I want to show you a magic formula by using the LCM of the denominators of fractions. Be careful which fraction is the dividend and which is the divisor, because it is important. As we said in here, 2 over 3 is the dividend and 2 over 7 is the divisor. The LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. We can write the division as a fraction like this. Now, I want to multiply the numerator and denominator of the new fraction by using LCM. We can simplify the numerator and denominator by using the cross-cancellation method. Then we will have 2 times 7 over 2 times 3, or 2 over 3 times 7 over 2. What happened? Our division became multiplication of the dividend and the inverse of the divisor. The result will be 14 over 6 equals 7 over 3 equals 2 and 1 over 3. So easy. Therefore, to calculate the division of two fractions, we can multiply the first fraction by the inverse of the second fraction. You can try this method on different examples and see the result. Well, to see how useful this lesson was, I want you to answer this question. What is the answer to minus 5 divided by 0.25? Calculate it and tell me the answer in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this week's lesson. Thanks for watching and see you next time!